Today we are leaving the shop and riding with Justin and Tyler downtown to do a ramp install at the home of track and field for the greatest university on earth.
The University of South Carolina.
All right, doing a ramp install at the track field at USC. Working on an uninstall. Gonna be installing a new. Gonna match all the blackened rails. Gonna be the entrance of the ramps right here.
We not only install ramps, we do stair lifts, access, and other various lifts to fit your house and lifestyle. So give us a call today at 803-926-2224 or visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com. Like this video, subscribe, and the 100th person to comment, "Go Cox" gets a prize.